Want to start your own faceless YouTube channel? There are countless faceless niches we've explored on this channel, but what if you could take it a step further by adding an AI-powered avatar to boost engagement? If you don't have a professional studio, expensive equipment, any animation skills, or high-end gear, no worries. Humva AI does all the work for you. It makes it incredibly easy to create hyper-realistic AI-powered avatars. Just upload a single image and you'll have a talking avatar ready in minutes effortlessly. Not only does it lip sync with precision, but it also supports natural hand and body movements, making your videos more dynamic and engaging. In today's video, I'll show you how to create your own AI clone avatar using Humva AI. Let's dive in and explore the endless possibilities of this powerful tool. What you'll learn today: how to create your own AI-powered talking avatar, step by step, generate videos with realistic lip sync and hand gestures, use AI-generated or your own image for the avatar, add voiceovers or text scripts seamlessly. If you're ready to bring your content to life and take your faceless videos to the next level, let's dive in. Step 1. Getting started with Humva AI. Humva AI is a powerful tool that lets you create lifelike avatars in just a few clicks. First, visit the Humva AI website. I've added the link in the description below. Once you're there, you'll see a wide range of realistic AI-generated talking avatars. You can choose from pre-existing avatars or create your own custom avatar, which is what we'll do today. Getting started is simple. Click on Create an account at the top of the page. You can sign up using your Google account, any social media account, or just enter your email and password. Once logged in, select Create Avatar and a new pop-up window will appear. Step 2. Uploading your avatar image. Now it's time to upload an image for your avatar. You have two options. Upload your own face image, use an AI-generated face. For this tutorial, I'll upload an AI-generated image. Simply click Upload Image, select your photo, and Humva AI will process it instantly. Step 3. Setting up the voiceover. Once your image is uploaded, we need to add a voice. Humva AI provides several voiceover options. Choose from built-in AI voices. Upload your own pre-recorded voiceover. Use voice cloning to generate a digital version of your own voice. For now, I'll select one of the recommended AI voices. After choosing a voice, click Next to proceed. Step 4. Customizing your avatar settings. Here's where you can personalize your avatar further. Give your avatar a name. This is just for organization purposes. Select a topic. Choose what kind of content your avatar will represent, e.g., business, entertainment, education, etc. Choose a background. You can pick a studio setup, green screen, or custom background. Green screen works best if you want to change backgrounds dynamically in your videos. Set the aspect ratio. Choose 16.9 for YouTube or 9:16 for vertical videos like TikTok and Shorts. Once you've customized everything, hit Next to proceed. Step 5. Generating AI avatars. Now, Humva AI will generate a set of avatars using your uploaded image. This process takes about 20-30 seconds. Once done, you'll see multiple AI-generated versions of your avatar. You can preview each one and select up to 5 images to turn into a talking AI avatar, as recommended by Humva AI. Once you've made your selections, click Generate Avatar, and Humva AI will begin processing. Step 6. Creating your AI video. After your avatar is generated, it's time to create the final AI video. Choose one of the avatars you just created. Choose between text or audio input. If you have a pre-recorded voiceover, click Upload Audio and import your file. If you want to use AI text-to-speech, select Enter Text and type in your script. My pro tip for you: the maximum text limit per clip is 2,000 characters, so if your script is longer, split it into multiple parts. Once everything is set, hit the export button and Humva AI will start rendering your video. Step 7. Reviewing and finalizing your video. Head over to the Dashboard, Projects tab, and you'll see your video being processed. This usually takes a few minutes depending on the length of your script or the uploaded audio file. Once done, play your AI avatar video and see the incredible results.
Pro tips for creating an AI realistic avatar. Choose a high-quality base image. Start with a high-resolution, well-lit photo of the person you want to create an avatar for. This will ensure that the final avatar is clear and detailed. Use advanced AI tools. Leverage AI-driven platforms like Synthesia, DID, or DeepMotion to create realistic facial animations and speech. Opt for 3D rendering. Consider using 3D modeling software like Blender or Maya to create a more realistic and customizable avatar. Pay attention to details. Focus on subtle facial features, expressions, and mannerisms that make the person unique, and ensure these are replicated in the avatar. Synchronize speech and gestures.
You'll notice that Humva AI has perfect lip syncing, realistic facial expressions, and a subtle hand gestures for a more lifelike appearance. If you need to generate more clips for a longer script, simply return to the avatar library, select your existing avatar, and repeat the process. Humva AI is a game changer. There you have it. In just a few minutes, we created a fully animated AI-powered talking avatar without any need for a studio, camera, or professional recording equipment. Why is Humva AI one of the best AI avatar tools? High-quality AI avatars with realistic expressions and hand gestures, easy-to-use interface, no design or animation skills needed, perfect for faceless YouTube channels, presentations, and social media, free to try. Get started today. For a limited time, Humva AI is offering 1 month of premium access for free. Simply go to the subscribe tab, select the standard plan, and enter the promo code HUMVACODE at checkout. This offer is limited to the first 1,000 users, so act fast. What do you think of Humva AI? Have you tried creating your own AI avatar yet? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more AI and content creation tutorials, share this with anyone who needs an AI avatar. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy creating.